And it's going to be a bitter cold January day.
Okay, this is no snow. We're supposed to get 10 to 16 inches tonight.
That's what she said.
Just starting to get some flakes. I don't know if you can see it, but starting to come down. All right, get back to you tonight. All right, I got everything prepped. I repositioned all the vehicles just in case, and we're good. We're ready for the snow. I'm actually looking forward to it, see how much we get, and we'll be back. I keep saying later tonight, but I mean, it's really only been about an hour and a half.
Conditions are going to worsen as we head into the overnight time frame.
Started coming down heavy, and it slowed down a little bit, but we're supposed to get dumped on really hard, so here's hoping.
Looking at an impressive winter storm.
So, okay. So, what do we have? Maybe half an inch?
That John Denver's full of shit, man.
Put your little hand in mine. There ain't no mountain we can't climb.
Okay, campers, rise and shine, and don't forget your booties, 'cause it's cold out there. It's cold out there every day. What is it, Miami,
Oh, finally a car. I haven't seen one of those in a while. So cool. Like, I haven't seen really many people, cars on the street.
Sputtering out sentence fragments.
Maybe I've seen 10 cars on my way to Stephanie's parents and back. So it's kind of cool. Oh, there's 11. Looks like a car is stuck. Let's see if we can help them out. Look at this. We have, it looks like another 2 inches. All right, gonna have to suit up again. All right, that was run number 2.